In this video, I will be teaching you how to mirror tilted planes in perspective. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this example here, we have a plane ABCD which is tilted in perspective, and we need to mirror this along this red color plane that you are seeing over here. So step 1, just extend the line AD to meet with the vertical of this red plane. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So I'll just extend this and you will get an intersection point with the vertical over here. Next, find the mirror of the point A on the other side. To do that, we will use the finding the center of this plane. So just find the center over here and then just extend this in perspective, this intersection point, and from the bottom of this plane draw a line through this intersection point that we have got. Once you do that, the intersection point over here is your A dash. Once we have established that, connect A dash with this intersection point that we have got in the vertical. Alright, so this point is nothing but D dash. Now, if you have a closer look at this plane, these lines, they go to the right vanishing point, and we already have the mirrored points of point A and D in the form of D dash and A dash. So all that we need to do right now is just extend these lines to go, draw lines from the 2 points to go to the right vanishing point. These 2 lines meet with the perspective lines from the point B and C going to the left vanishing point. These points are nothing but our B dash and C dash. So all that is remaining is just darken these lines and you have the same plane rotated in perspective. It's a pretty simple trick, but it's an extremely useful thing to have in your tool, because once you have this, drawing symmetrical objects becomes very easy. I'll just darken the remaining bits of this. So there you have it, the plane AB, C and D, which is rotated, has been mirrored on the other side, form of A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. And now we will have a look at one more example over here. In another example over here, we have a plane ABCD also tilted in perspective. We can use the same technique that we have applied in our previous example. This time we are going to just extend the line CD to meet with this perspective line of the mirror plane. So just extend this till it meets with this mirror plane. Now we just need to find the point D on the other side. To do that, we already have a rectangle over here. Just need to find the center of it. And through the point A, just run a line along the intersection point like this, and the place where it meets the line going from D to the left vanishing point is nothing but your D dash. If you just draw a line through this intersection point through the point D dash, it will meet with the line going from the point C to the left vanishing point. This is nothing but your C dash. Once you have the points C and D on the other side, we can just drop in two verticals, because if you observe closely, the lines AD and BC are just verticals. So if I just drop in a vertical from the point D dash and from the point C dash, these will intersect with the lines going from A and B to the left vanishing points. These are nothing but our A dash and B dash. So we just need to connect these to find our mirror plane. So as you saw, with just 2 or 3 steps, we can just obtain our mirror planes of the planes which are tilted in perspective. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or feedback, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye-bye. If you want to know how to draw these type of perspective grids in the most easiest way possible, I'll leave a link down in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Thank you.